Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the lock has reliable power. Low voltage causes failed enrollments, so replace batteries if below 20%. Once done, you'll need the master code or the Yale app authenticated. This is how the lock grants permission to add fingerprints. Make sure the interior cover is removed for access. Press and hold the program button until the LED blinks and you hear the prompt. Now the lock is in admin mode, and you're ready to start fingerprint registration immediately. You'll see the prompt for a fingerprint slot. Choose an unused ID number and confirm it. Next, position your finger flat and centered on the sensor. Press firmly for 2 to 3 seconds so the reader captures ridges clearly. Once the LED signals success, lift and reposition the finger slightly. This variation builds a robust template. Repeat this capture 3 to 5 times, following on-screen or voice prompts, and make sure each scan registers before moving to the next step. After the final successful scan, save the template and immediately test the fingerprint by locking and unlocking the door 2 to 3 times. This confirms real-world reliability. If enrollment fails or false rejects occur, clean the sensor with a lint-free cloth and retry with a dry, uninjured finger. Moisture or cuts cause read errors. When problems persist, delete the template via the app or master code, reset that slot, and re-enroll. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.